Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what many consider the best fruit lip balm on the market. Burt's Bees Lip Balm Pack, featuring 4 delicious flavors: pink grapefruit, mango, coconut and pear, and pomegranate. If you're looking for a lip balm that not only smells amazing but also deeply nourishes and protects your lips, this might just be the one for you. Burt's Bees has long been a trusted name in natural skincare, and this lip balm pack is no exception. Each tube contains 0.15 ounces of lip moisturizer, perfectly sized to toss into your purse or pocket for easy access throughout the day. What sets this product apart is its use of responsibly sourced beeswax, combined with a blend of nourishing oils and butters. These ingredients work together to provide a conditioning treatment that keeps your lips soft, healthy, and hydrated without any greasy residue. One of the standout features of this pack is the variety of refreshing fruit flavors. Pink grapefruit offers a bright and zesty scent. Mango brings a sweet and tropical vibe. Coconut and pear combines creamy and fruity notes for a soothing experience, and pomegranate delivers a subtly sweet and invigorating aroma. Each flavor is tint-free, so you get all the moisture and scent without altering your natural lip color. This lip balm glides on smoothly, creating a matte finish that looks natural and clean. It's formulated without parabens, phthalate, petrolatum, or SLS, making it a great choice for anyone seeking a product with ingredients derived 100% from natural origins. Whether you're dealing with dry, chapped lips or simply want to keep your lips nourished daily, this balm is designed to protect and revitalize. In addition to its moisturizing benefits, the balm offers a protective barrier against harsh weather conditions like cold winds and dryness, which can be a real lifesaver during winter months or in dry climates. Because it's free of artificial additives, you can feel confident applying it regularly without worrying about irritation or harmful chemicals. The packaging is compact and convenient, and the tubes are easy to open and apply, making them suitable for both adults and kids. This pack of 4 ensures you can switch between flavors depending on your mood, or share with friends and family. Burt's Bees has clearly put a lot of thought into making this lip balm both effective and enjoyable to use. To sum it up, Burt's Bees Lip Balm Fruit Pack combines natural, high-quality ingredients with delicious scents and practical use. It nourishes lips, protects against dryness, and offers a variety of flavors that encourage frequent use. If you want a reliable, natural lip balm that keeps your lips soft and hydrated all day long, this pack is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you enjoyed this review, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more honest product insights. See you in the next video.